Have you ever thought about how a simple mix of castor oil, baking soda, and water can help with up to 14 different health problems? Today, we're going to explore this amazing combination and explain why it has been used for centuries as a natural treatment. Stick around until the end of the video because you'll be amazed at what this powerful mix can do. The combination of castor oil, baking soda, and water has been used for ages as a natural remedy for various health issues. Different cultures have relied on this simple mix because of its therapeutic qualities, making it a popular choice for improving skin and overall health. Castor oil, which is rich in malic acid, is known for its ability to reduce inflammation, fight bacteria, and ease pain. On the other hand, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate helps balance skin acidity, detoxify pores, and remove dead skin cells with its alkalizing and exfoliating properties when mixed with water. The thick texture of castor oil becomes easier to apply and is absorbed better by the skin, allowing its active ingredients to work more effectively. The way castor oil and baking soda work together makes them particularly useful for treating things like skin irritations, joint pain, and minor infections. Castor oil helps boost blood flow and reduce swelling, while baking soda cleanses the skin and balances its pH. Although there isn't a lot of scientific evidence showing this specific mixture treats certain conditions, there is research supporting the benefits of both ingredients, especially for skin health and pain relief. This simple, cost-effective remedy offers a natural way for people to improve their skin, reduce inflammation, and boost overall wellness. Castor oil is well known for its external uses, especially for skin treatments, but there isn't much scientific proof about its benefits when taken internally. It's crucial to use it carefully and correctly. Want to discover more about the benefits of castor oil and baking soda? Stay tuned as we explore the science behind these remedies and reveal how they can positively affect your health. You might be amazed at how effective these simple substances can be. Castor oil has been a popular natural remedy for centuries due to its impressive range of benefits derived from the seeds of the richness communist plant. Castor oil is rich in retinoic acid, the key component that gives it its therapeutic effects. This acid has strong anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, making castor oil a powerful option for reducing pain and inflammation. Pain and inflammation relief. One of the standout advantages of castor oil is its ability to ease pain and inflammation. Research published in Phytotherapy Research in 2009 showed that castor oil might be as effective as diclofenac, a common painkiller, in relieving pain from osteoarthritis. This makes castor oil a great natural alternative for managing pain and inflammation, especially for conditions like arthritis. Skin health benefits. Castor oil is also great for your skin. Its high fatty acid content provides deep moisture, which helps prevent dryness and irritation. This is especially beneficial for people with dry or sensitive skin. A study in Acta Biochemica Panica in 2020 found that castor oil helps boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing scars and stretch marks. Wound healing and skin regeneration. Castor oil is well known for its ability to help wounds heal faster. It speeds up skin cell regeneration, making it effective for treating minor cuts, burns, and other skin injuries. A 2020 study in the Journal of Infection and Public Health confirmed that castor oil can fight bacteria and fungi, which helps protect the skin from infections and promotes quicker healing. Its antimicrobial properties make it useful for preventing and treating various skin issues. Antimicrobial properties. The antimicrobial benefits of castor oil are impressive. It can fight a range of germs, including bacteria and fungi, making it helpful for treating conditions like acne and fungal infections. Research in the Journal of Infection and Public Health highlighted castor oil's effective against common skin pathogens, supporting its use in skin care and infection treatment, enhancing hair and nail health. Castor oil is also good for your hair and nails. It nourishes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and encourages healthier hair growth. A study in 2020 emphasized castor oil's role in improving hair and nail health, noting its ability to provide essential nutrients that support growth and prevent damage for nails. Castor oil strengthens them, preventing brittleness and promoting overall nail health. Versatile applications. The uses of castor oil go beyond just these benefits. It can be applied in many ways, including as a topical treatment for joint and muscle pain, a moisturizer for dry skin, and even as a remedy for minor infections and wounds. Its ability to enhance skin, hair, and nail health while also offering pain relief and antimicrobial protection highlights its effectiveness in both health and beauty routines. Next, we'll look at the benefits of baking soda and how mixing it with castor oil can boost their health effects. Stick around to discover how these two everyday items can enhance your wellness together. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile and effective substance. Used in many everyday tasks from baking to cleaning, it's been a household staple for years, but its uses and benefits go far beyond the kitchen. Let's look at what makes baking soda so special and how it can be beneficial for your health. What is baking soda? Baking soda is a white powder made up of sodium bicarbonate. It has a long history of being used for various purposes like neutralizing acids and helping dough rise in baking. Its unique properties make it useful in many health-related situations, such as improving digestion and treating skin problems. One, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Baking soda is well known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps neutralize acids in the body, which can be useful for issues like indigestion, acid reflux, and urinary tract infections. A 2020 study published in Integrative Cancer Therapies found that baking soda might help with cancer treatment by managing tea acidity and boosting the effectiveness of other treatments. 2, skin health benefits. Baking soda is also great for your skin. It can exfoliate dead skin cells, making it a popular choice for reducing acne and treating fungal infections. By gently scrubbing your skin, baking soda clears away impurities and unclogs pores. Its soothing properties can also help with irritated skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. 3, oral care benefits. When it comes to oral hygiene, baking soda is very effective. A 2017 study in the Journal of the American Dental Association showed that toothpaste with baking soda can reduce plaque and gingivitis better than regular toothpaste. Baking soda helps balance the pH in your mouth and neutralize acids, which can prevent tooth decay and gum disease. 4, balancing pH levels. Maintaining the right pH balance is important for your overall health, and baking soda plays a key role here. It helps neutralize excess acids in the body, which can ease symptoms of metabolic acidosis and improve your general well-being. A 2020 study in biochemical pharmacology highlighted how important it is to balance acid and base levels, showing that baking soda is useful in this process. 5, versatile health applications. Baking soda is versatile. When it comes to health, it can help relieve itchy skin, treat insect bites, and reduce heartburn symptoms. Its ability to neutralize acids and soothe irritated areas makes it a handy remedy for many common problems. 6, effective in treating fungal infections. The antifungal properties of baking soda make it effective against fungal infections. It creates an alkaline environment that stops fungi from growing, making it useful for treating conditions like athlete's foot and ringworm. When mixed with other ingredients like castor oil, baking soda can be even more effective in tackling fungal issues. 7, enhancing digestive health. Baking soda supports digestive health by neutralizing stomach acids, which can help with indigestion and acid reflux. By balancing stomach pH levels, it reduces discomfort and promotes better digestion. Next, we'll explore how combining baking soda with castor oil can enhance the benefits of both. This powerful mixture offers a holistic approach to various health issues, combining the strengths of each ingredient for a more comprehensive remedy. Stay tuned to discover how this effective combination can support your overall health and well-being. Combining castor oil with baking soda and water creates a powerful blend that makes use of the unique benefits of each ingredient. This mixture enhances their individual effects, offering a versatile solution for many health and skin care concerns. Let's explore how this combination works and the specific advantages it provides when you mix castor oil and baking soda. Their benefits complement each other well. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, while baking soda has antibacterial and antifungal effects. Together, they help with both external and internal issues, such as easing pain, healing wounds, and preventing infections. Baking soda creates a slightly alkaline environment on the skin or affected area, which can help castor oil absorb better. This improves how well the mixture works, allowing the beneficial compounds in castor oil to penetrate deeper into the skin and tissues. Water acts as a carrier, making it easier to apply the mixture and helping to remove impurities from the skin, while castor oil and baking soda work together to detoxify and cleanse the body. Pain relief and enough inflammation reduction. The mix of castor oil and baking soda can significantly Relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory qualities, combined with baking soda's alkaline nature, create an effective remedy for conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and joint discomfort. To use, mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda with a small amount of water to form a paste. Apply this paste to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. For the best results, apply the treatment before bedtime and cover the area with a warm cloth or blanket to enhance absorption, wound healing, and skin regeneration. Castor oil helps speed up wound healing, and baking soda's antimicrobial properties complement this by protecting wounds from infection and promoting faster recovery. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tsp of baking soda and a small amount of water to make a paste. Apply this mixture to minor cuts, burns, or other skin injuries and leave it on for 2 to 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water and repeat 2 to 3 times daily to accelerate the healing process. Skin care and acne treatment. This mixture is also highly effective for various skin issues. Castor oil's moisturizing benefits combined with baking soda's exfoliating and antibacterial properties make it a strong solution for acne and other skin problems. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a few drops of water. Apply this mixture to problem areas, gently massaging it into the skin. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. For acne, use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week to help reduce breakouts and improve skin texture. Hair and nail health. Castor oil and baking soda can also benefit hair and nails. Castor oil nourishes the hair and strengthens the nails, while baking soda helps remove buildup and exfoliates the scalp. For hair health, mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of water. Massage the mixture into the scalp and leave it on for 2 to 30 minutes before rinsing. For nails, mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda and massage it into the nails and cuticles. Leave it on for 1 to 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Detoxification and body cleansing. This blend helps to cleanse and detoxify the body. Baking soda's alkaline nature supports natural detoxification processes, while castor oil boosts circulation and supports lymphatic drainage. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and enough water to create a paste. Apply this mixture to areas of the body where you feel congestion or discomfort, such as the abdomen or legs. Leave it on for 2 to 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Soothing tired eyes. The mixture can also soothe tired and irritated eyes. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties combined with baking soda's gentle exfoliation help reduce puffiness and irritation. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 1 or 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a few drops of water. Gently apply this mixture to the eyelids and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and repeat daily for the best results. Using a mixture of castor oil and baking soda can be highly beneficial for a range of health and skincare issues when applied correctly. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to effectively use this powerful blend for various applications for skin problems and allergies. To address skin problems and allergies, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This combination creates a thick pastel-like mixture. Gently apply this mixture to the affected areas such as rashes, redness, or itchy spots using your fingers or a cotton ball. Make sure to tap or rub it in gently to ensure it penetrates the skin. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. After this period, rinse off the mixture with warm water. This method is excellent for calming irritated skin and reducing allergic reactions due to the soothing properties of castor oil and the neutralizing effect of baking soda for fungal skin infections and itching. For treating fungal infections and itching, combine equal parts of baking soda and castor oil, typically 1 tablespoon of each. Apply this mixture to the affected area, such as athlete's foot or ringworm, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. This duration allows the antifungal properties of both ingredients to target the infection effectively. After the time has passed, rinse the area with warm water, following up with an antifungal cream if needed can further aid in clearing the infection. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times daily until symptoms improve. This treatment helps manage fungal infections and alleviates itching due to its powerful antimicrobial properties.